Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your system meets requirements and you have administrator rights. Once done, install or enable the shortcut app. Next, gather the exact executable paths or URLs you want to launch. Make sure to note preferred key combos now, because assigning shortcuts early avoids conflicts later. You'll also set app permissions so the launcher can control other programs. Finally, restart the app to apply initial settings and move to creating your first shortcut. You now add a new shortcut entry and give it a clear name so you recognize it quickly. Point the action to an executable, script, or URL and explain why each target is chosen. Then assign a hotkey with modifiers. Use combinations that avoid system conflicts. Once done, set the scope: global for all windows, app-specific for context, or schedule for time triggers. Make sure to save and test the binding immediately to confirm the intended behavior. You finish by running systematic tests. Open the target apps and trigger each shortcut to verify expected results. If something lags, adjust built-in delays or grant additional permissions so automation can control apps reliably. Make sure to export or back up your shortcut config for recovery. If a shortcut fails, check for hotkey conflicts, escalation requirements, or app focus issues in the app's logs. Resolving those common problems usually restores functionality quickly and cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.